Hello everyone, today we will open Decathlon Massager and we will try to find out what are the parts it has inside. So let's open the box. So inside that we will get the massager, one USB type charger, one manual, that's it. So let us keep this aside, and this is the massager and you can turn it on like this. So it will be vibrate and you can use for massaging purpose. So let's turn on this off. So first let's check this whether it is charging or not. So as you can see, it is charging. We have a red color LED over there. So now let's take it out. So in this you will find three fasteners. So let's try to remove this fastener first, then we will try to dismantle the device. Now we will see whether we are able to remove this top cover or not. So we can. Here we go. So let's try to open this PCB as well. So what we get here, a PCB. This is the battery. This is 3.7 volt 750 mAh battery. So in this top cover, this is a like button, so which is like a made up of a rubberish material, and this is the switch. So when you're trying to push it, it will press this PCB button and it will start. So let's try turning on here. So as you can see, it started. I turn it off, and now let's take inside what we have. So let's remove this black cover. And we have another set of fasteners which will try to open it. Okay, so now we have removed all these three fasteners and we will try to take out the part. Slowly I am trying to pull it. Okay, so as you can see over here, we have one motor. Inside this motor casing we have again three fasteners. So let's try to open that as well. Have taken out all three screws. We'll try to remove this main body over here. Alright, so this is the front section, and inside we have motor, as I said, and this is the load they have given so that it will not be eccentric while it rotating. So let's try to turn it on and see how it rotates. Okay, I can feel this vibration while it rotating. It is supposed to like that. So we have opened all the parts for this product, and as you can see over here we have this motor, and on this, basically this shaft, they have given this load, and because of this load we are not getting the motion in all equal direction, which leads to vibrate this body. And when this body is getting attached with this one, so this main body is transferring its motion to this part, and we are getting this massaging effect. And we have over this small PCB, we have this LED, and this is B type charging port. So now let's try to assemble it again and check whether it is working well or not. We have one more. Actually this product is very stiff, and I can see the quality is also pretty much good for each part. It doesn't look like a very cheap product. Alright, now we need to put the battery. Alright, so this PCB holes are aligned with the top cover. Now we can start putting the fastener. So now let's check whether it is getting charged or not. Yeah, as you can see, still it is working. And now we have a judgment day for this device, whether it is working or not after assembling. Yeah, so it's working really fine. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Kindly consider this subscribing this channel, and do share this video with your friends. I will see you all in my next video.